Welcome to this week's special edition of Woking TV. We're here at the big Christmas light switch on event here at Woking Shopping, and we've got a show packed full of quality entertainment from the main stage, including Brookwood Primary School Choir, opera singer Jane Coover, Woking Dance Theatre, Remix Adult Choir and Summer Scales Dance. We've also got children's TV favourites, including Channel 5's Milkshake, Peppa Pig and Family and Swashbuckle. But that's not all. We'll also have the Wicked Fairy, aka Katie Price, from the Woking New Victoria's Theatre's Sleeping Beauty. Plus, we've got loads of great Christmas characters in and around the mall.
It's really good, enjoying ourselves. And you're enjoying Swashbuckle, aren't you?
Yeah!
Do you like Swashbuckle your favourite?
Yeah.
Kids wanted to come to see Swashbuckle and Milkshake, and I think it's Katie Price is doing the lights tonight. Come to see that.
And you having a good time?
Yeah, we're having a good time. Going to get their balloons in a minute, get the faces painted.
Okay guys, so how are you enjoying your night?
Yeah, it's really good. It's just a nice event really for Woking to have and gets everyone together really. It happens every year, but this is the biggest year it's been.
So guys, you enjoying your night?
Yes, we are. Yes, really
Have you
good.
come to see anybody in particular?
Yes, Katie Price.
I'm Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Woking TV.
We've got the button as well. Oh, shiny button. Oh, watch it, mate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time for. I've had a great time and I hope you guys have too. Thanks for tuning into this Christmas edition of Woking TV. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to our page. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!